Greetings, travelers of the path. Today I wish to delve into one of the many moral dilemmas encountered in my journeys across the northern realms, a tale that encapsulates the essence of actions, consequences, and the profound life lessons learned along the way. Picture this, the tale of the Bloody Baron, a man tormented by his own demons, both literal and metaphorical. In his desperation to find his lost daughter, he sought my aid, setting forth a chain of events that would shape the lives of many. You see, in this world, every action carries weight. Every decision made has a ripple effect, touching the lives of those around us. The Bloody Baron's dilemma epitomizes this truth. One must consider the consequences of forgiveness, redemption, and the complexities of familial bonds. The Baron, despite his faults, grappled with the demons of his past, seeking a chance at redemption through the search for his daughter. Yet, as I treaded through the mire of his troubled existence, I was forced to confront the harsh realities of his actions, his abusive tendencies, his neglect, and the pain he inflicted upon those closest to him. It serves as a poignant reminder that our actions, no matter how well-intentioned, can have dire consequences. We must face the repercussions of our choices, confronting the shadows of our past deeds. But amidst the darkness, there lies a glimmer of hope. The Baron's tale teaches us that redemption is not beyond reach. Through reflection, repentance, and genuine change, one can break free from the chains of their past. So, my fellow travelers, as you journey through the tumultuous tides of life, remember the lessons learned from the Bloody Baron's dilemma. Choose wisely, for every action shapes the path we walk. Until next time, safe travels on the path.